Today we are working on Excel Lesson 7, the 6th lesson, formatting table data. So this is what you should have open up. It says click any cell in the table. So just click somewhere in the table. Under the Table Tools on the Design tab, right here where it says Table Design, excuse me, in the Table Styles Options group, right here, click the first column and last column to turn those on. So mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Under the Table Tools on the Design tab in the Table Style Options group, click Banded Columns. See it? Fix those or turn those on. Every second column in the table is now white while the others are shaded. This will become more obvious when you turn row banding off. So mark that as answered. Under Table Tools on the Design tab in the Table Options group, click the Banded Rows checkbox to turn it off. So turn those off. Under Table Tools on the Design tab in the Table Styles group, click More button. Click there and that opens all these up. Point the cursor to the different table styles and observe the preview effect on the table. And then select Table Style Medium 4. Okay, I was just looking at them all. Alright, so it should look like this. Mark as answered. Under Table Tools on the Design tab in the Table Styles group, click the More button. And then click Clear. Notice that the bolding in the first and last columns and the total row in the table are also removed, even though the check boxes are still activated. So you see all those things still activated, it removed everything. Under Table Tools and Design tab, click the More button. Click Medium Style, Table Style Medium 21. This green one right here. If necessary, turn the first column and last columns back on, which mine are on. If necessary, turn the Banded Rows checkbox on and the banded row or banded columns off. So banded rows on, banded columns off. And this is what yours should look like. If you click this, you can see that mine looks like that, so yours should as well. Mark is answered. Go to the next one. In the Table Style Options group, click the Filter button checkbox to turn it off. So right here, we're going to turn off the filter button. Click on any of the header row cells A4 to F4. So any of these. And try to access the auto filter icon. You can't because it's not there. Under Table Tools in the Design tab in the Table Styles group, click the Filter button again to turn it on, and you can see that you've got all of those are back. Mark that as answered. Submit. Submit results. There's our 7 green check boxes. So this completes formatting table data.